أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the third part of our lesson series from the book titled Learn Tajweed with Ease. I am Mudaris, Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. In this part of the lessons, we are going to discuss another concept in Tajweed, which is known as Tanween. 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 So Tanween means the sound of Nun. The sound of Nun. You may ask, in what way does it become the sound of Nun? When I say ban, the sound of Nun at the end of pronunciation of a letter carrying either double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma. I repeat, the sound of Nun that is heard after the pronunciation of a letter in Arabic carrying double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma. So that sound of Nun that is heard at the end of those letters is known as Tanween in Tajweed. Tanween, the sound of Nun. Just like when I say ban, at the end of pronunciation you must hear the sound of Nun. Ban, bin, bon. So that sound is known as Tanween in Tajweed. So Tanween in English is nunation. Nunation. You may ask, in what way does it become nunation? Nunation means the sound of letter N. The sound of letter N, nunation. So you may ask me, in what way does it become nunation? So the answer is this. So nunation is the sound of letter N that is heard after the pronunciation of a letter in Arabic carrying double fatha, just like ban. The sound, the pronunciation ends with what? N sound. Bin. So the pronunciation of bin ends with N sound, the sound of letter N. When we say boon, boon, so the pronunciation ends with N sound. So that is why it is known as nunation. In Arabic, Tanween. We are going to discuss Tanween, the concept of Tanween in Tajweed. Take your time to observe the following. The double fatha written on the ba'un. Number one, ban. Ban. So the double fatha written on this ba'un is what is called Tanween. The first fatha, the first one, is the one that represents R sound, which is ba. Ba. So your ba, the second fatha, represents Tanween, which is letter N. So your ba plus letter N becomes ban. Ban. So Tanween in reality is Nunun carrying sukun, as we can see it here. This is what is written, and this is what is pronounced. It is written this way, but pronounced this way. So the reality about Tanween is Nunun carrying sukun at the end of pronunciation of a letter carrying double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma. So the first is the first letter represents R sound, while the second one is what we refer to as Tanween, which is being represented here with Nunun carrying sukun, ban. So the first fatha here, written on top of the ba, is the ba that we read. So the Nunun sukun is the one representing Tanween. So this is the reality about Tanween. Tanween is Nunun with sukun that is hidden but not visible. It is written this way but pronounced this way. La'allaka fahimta, I hope you understand. So number two, bin. So Tanween can appear in the form of double kasra. Remember, the first kasra is the E sound that you read the letter with, while the second kasra is what we refer to as tanween. As we can see it here, bin. The first kasra is your E sound. You read the ba with E sound as in B. B. Now you are having B. B-I. B. So the second kasra is tanween, which is nunun carrying sukun. Your B plus nunun sukun becomes bin. So your B, the first is E sound. Your B plus E sound is B. So the second one is tanween, which is N sound in English. So your B plus letter N becomes bin, and this bin in Arabic. It is written this way, but pronounced this way. I hope you understand. So the third one. Tanween can appear in the form of double dhamma. Double dhamma. Remember, the first dhamma is your U sound. Your ba'un, your ba'un with dhamma is bu, as we can see it here. So the second dhamma is your tanween, and tanween means N sound, nunation, the sound of N. Your bu plus letter N becomes bun, and your bu in Arabic plus nunu sukun, which represent tanween, becomes bun. So there are three types of tanween in Arabic, and tanween means nunation. A tanween is of three categories. Number one, ban, and remember, the second fatia is the tanween. Number two, bin, remember, the second kasra is tanween, not the two kasra, remember. Number three, the third type of tanween is bun, double dhamma, as in bun. Remember, the second dhamma is your tanween, not the first one. Not the first one. La'allaka fahimta. I hope you understand. So tanween is a hidden nunu sakina. What is nunu sakina? Nunu sakina means nunu carrying sukun, as we can see it here. A nunu with sukun is called nunu sakina in Tajweed. I repeat. Nunun carrying sukun is called nunu sakina in Tajweed. Nunu sakina. It means nunu carrying sukun. As a student of Tajweed, wherever you see nunu carrying sukun in the Noble Qur'an, you call it nunu sakina. So we must learn how to call it in English, how to make reference to it in Arabic, not in English. So how to make reference to nunu carrying sukun in Arabic, not in English. So an active student of Tajweed must know how to call it in Arabic, not in English. Nunu carrying sukun is called nunu sakina. Nunun sakina. Nunun sakina. That is how you call it in Tajweed. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Kindly like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.